The robot girl may seem perfect, but she still can't compete with the real girl. Keeping a house tidy all the time is not an easy task. And Julia doesn't seem to be up to it. Darling, why is it such a mess in here? I won't clean up on my birthday. You'd better give me a robot vacuum cleaner. Happy birthday! Yay! This is exactly what I wanted. Cool! My new vacuum cleaner is so awesome! Does Dan like this robot? What if this is mutual and the vacuum cleaner is going to take Dan away from me? No, I won't let that happen. No! That was my new vacuum cleaner! Well, it's best not to bring any robotics to the jealous robot girl's house. Who else is there? Kaya? I'll call you back later. What a disgusting sound! I don't know. Oh, this is my phone. Nonsense. Do not pay attention. Strange. To offend a robot girl means to say goodbye to your beloved smartphone. Oh no! It's my girlfriend, Julia! She seems nice. Yes, she is, sometimes. But if you offend a real girl, you can say goodbye to your teeth. Hey guys! Help me impress the girl! You will pretend to attack us, and I will resist it! Deal! Well, that's it, boy! Empty your pockets! Good afternoon, guys! Offending people is no good! Or what? That's what! Hey! Yeah, the robot girl herself easily fights back any bullies. No, we should go to the movies. But we went to the movies yesterday. Hey, you! Any problem, guys? You shouldn't mess with the real girl either. Oh, those boys! Well, as long as there are girls like that in college, the bullies have nothing to do there. Among Kaya's functions, there is also the function of preparing lunch for a beloved one, though her taste is some kind of specific. Bon appetit, darling! I love noodles! Wait, this is the wiring. Don't you like it? No, I do! Of course I like it! This is so delicious! It smells so good in here! Sure it is! Great! I'm gonna have a nice meal now! It smells divine! Hey! Hands off! If you want to eat, cook by yourself! Yes! Take that! I don't know a thing! You're finished! Julia, help me with my homework! I'm playing! Please! I'm not good at math! It's my turn! This looks like hieroglyphs to me! Do it by yourself! A real girl is unlikely to agree to do whatever Dan wants. But for a robot girl, any task is a mere trifle. Kaya, can you help me with the math? Will I play? Solve the equation. Done! Wow! So fast? Awesome! Complete the game! Done! Hey! But this is my favorite game! To make a real girl happy, you need to try hard. Sweetheart! Julia! What is it? I brought you breakfast. What breakfast? Let me sleep. I thought she would like it. Darling, this is for you. Oh no! Why are you bothering me all day long? She's gonna love this. Well… Goodbye, my dear… Julia, I've got you a present. A present? I hope it's good this time. Yay! It's perfect! Thank you, darling. It's all for you, honey. All for you. Darling? Kaya's battery died again. It's good that the charging platform is here. But you don't need much to please a robot girl. Just charge her. What's that noise? Close, you! What's up? My locker is broken. The door won't close. That's not a problem. Chewing gum will fix it. Ew! This is disgusting! But it worked! Hi, Dan! What are you doing? I'm trying to close the locker. I'll help you. A robot girl can easily cope with such a task. Once and for all. Done! Cool, thanks! Goodbye to my stash of sweets! Julia seems to be a little late. That's all right. I'll wait. Hello, what would you like to order? Nothing so far. I'm waiting for a girl. You can wait endlessly for a real girl to get ready for a date. Real self-care takes some time. My skin needs hydration immediately. Where is she? Okay, I'll wait another hour. Would you like something to drink? No, I don't. She's about to come. Peter, how can I miss a day of watering? There is your water. This all won't do. What should I wear? Hi, honey. Sorry, I'm a little late. Julia, this is for you. Well, the bouquet was not so patient. Waitress, can we have a menu? Sorry, it's too late. We're closed. Well, at least Julia came at all. But the robot girl is never late. She just doesn't have such a function. Dear, a new restaurant has opened nearby. Let's visit it. What restaurant? No, not now. And I say now! Is that a robot? Oh, look at that guy! Go! That's your table! Good afternoon! This is our menu. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. What a weird couple. Kaya's love signs are always very original. Oh! This is so cute! Oh, I should go. See you tonight, darling. Finally! You have such a cool processor. What can we say? She's a robot after all. Hey! Hands off my DJ mixer! Maybe I'll buy you a drink? No, I only drink water. He's tough. I've seen tougher. Come here, my dear. Leave me alone, girl! Hey, what's up? I can't get rid of that annoying girl. Can you help me out? I'll do it. Not for free, of course. Take everything. Just get her out of here. No problem. Shall we dance? I'd love to. Bye-bye. He is so naive. Great catch today. You tell me. I did a great job! But we worked together! Which girl do you think is better for Dan? The real Julia or the robot Kaya? Share your opinion in the comments below this video. Did you like our video? Then give it the thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click on the bell. See you!